Good morning. It's the crack of dawn right now, and I'm ready to make myself some fixins for breakfast. Well, today's recipe I got from my friend Donald. He said, Jim, you need to make some red-eye gravy. And guess what? I'm gonna make some. And I'm using his recipe. Watch me make it now. With this recipe, you need to start with some meat fat. So I'm gonna cook up this ham steak. Get it cooking. I'll save this for plating. To that ham grease, I'm gonna add half of a minced onion, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. I'm gonna be putting in 2 heaping tablespoons of flour. Most traditional recipes don't use as much flour, but Donnie likes it thick, and that's how I'm gonna do it. Some salt and pepper, and 1.5 cups of coffee. That's the secret to red-eye gravy. Get those lumps out. I'm gonna end by mixing in 2 tablespoons of butter. There's my ham. I also made some cinnamon rolls. I'm so curious how red gravy will taste on cinnamon rolls. Well, let's lather it up and we will find out. Ready to try red-eye gravy. It's wonderful. Love the onion in there. Totally taste the coffee. It's a fun gravy. Now I must try it on a cinnamon roll. Onion with cinnamon roll, it might work. It's great. Yum. Thank you so much, Donald. This recipe is out of sight, and you know what? It can really wake you up. Red-eye gravy. For more fun recipes, or if you have suggestions for me, subscribe to my channel and leave a comment. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time here on Jim's Kitsch Kitchen. Tasting this coffee red-eye gravy, I feel like I've had it before. I'm having deja brew.